Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
To replace filter 1, locate your water filter cover in the upper right-hand corner inside your refrigerator or in the base grill. Lift the filter door up. Pull the filter out and discard it. Open your new filter and remove the protective coverings from the O-rings. When inserting the new filter into the slot, make sure the arrow is pointing upward. Do not force the water filter. Push the filter door closed so it snaps into place. Once your filter is replaced, run 4 gallons of water through the line to properly flush the new filter. Then reset the filter light.